In this video, we'll be going over the MetaMask wallet, which is the go-to wallet for blockchain apps and has over 30 million users worldwide. This is the go-to app for several reasons, including great UX, great usability, and it's very easy to use compared to other blockchain wallets available on the market. First, we'll go over a basic overview of MetaMask and its usage and its advantages compared to other wallets. Then we'll be going over how to download the MetaMask Chrome extension, and this is applicable on other browsers such as Firefox and Edge, where you can download MetaMask as well. Then we'll be going over how to create a wallet. This includes creating a password and creating and securing our seed phrase. After that, we'll go over a few MetaMask options, which are buy, swap, bridge, switching and adding networks, and adding tokens to MetaMask. As you can see, we're currently on the official MetaMask website, metamask.io. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description so you guys don't get scammed. So first, we're going to install MetaMask for Chrome to add the extension. That's the first step. So we're going to click on that. It should redirect us to a separate page. This looks right, chrome.google.com. And then we're going to add it to Chrome. And then add extension. Yes, it'll ask you all this. Yep. Okay, so we're now on the MetaMask Chrome extension. So we are going to create a new wallet for the sake of this tutorial. But if you already have a seed phrase, you can just import it using import an existing wallet. So what we're going to do now is agree to MetaMask's terms of use, create a new wallet, and then it'll take us to this screen, which is just MetaMask telling us how they're going to use our data. We're just going to click agree. So now we have to create a password. So I'm just going to create a random password right now. And now these match. You guys got to make sure these passwords are saved properly, because if you lose it, you can't log in back into your MetaMask account. So make sure to save this somewhere like safe. So now we're going to click on this checkbox. I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. And then click create a new wallet. So now we have to secure our wallet. So we need to save this secret recovery phrase we're going to generate right now. And this is super important because let's say if you cannot log in to your MetaMask, the only way to recover it is through the secret recovery phrase, or else you lose all the money you kept in your wallet. So MetaMask has some suggestions when it comes to saving your secret recovery phrase. I recommend the second and third option, not the first option, because password managers also can get hacked. And make sure not to share your secret recovery phrase with anybody, because if they get access to it, then they can take your funds. So now we have to secure our secret recovery phrase. So we're going to click on secure my wallet, and then we're going to reveal it. And then you'll see it's 12 randomized words. So as I recommended before, you have to store it somewhere safe, like such as a safe deposit box or writing it down. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to copy the clipboard, and then it'll ask if you proceed with next, the words to like make sure that you have it saved. So we're going to type it, modify, this one, certain, and then I see there's puzzle or pull. There we go. We can click on confirm and it'll let us through because it knows we have the seed phrase saved. And then the wallet's created. So we can go next, next. Now we have to pin our MetaMask extension. So for the first feature, we have the MetaMask buy page, which allows you to use your credit card and other on-ramp methods to get ETH onto your wallet. But I would recommend getting ETH onto an exchange like KuCoin, Binance, or Coinbase, then depositing it to your MetaMask wallet. The next feature we're going to cover is the MetaMask swap feature, which allows you to swap your ETH into other ERC20 tokens. I would recommend using Uniswap, however, which is not integrated into MetaMask and is a separate app I'll cover in another video. The third feature MetaMask has to offer is the bridge feature, which allows you to bridge tokens from the Ethereum blockchain to other blockchains and vice versa. So, for example, I can bridge the Ethereum token from the Ethereum blockchain to a blockchain like Optimism or Arbitrum. The other features MetaMask has to offer is staking and watchlist, which are not commonly used, so I would just ignore them. Import tokens is another feature MetaMask has to offer. We'll click on import tokens in order to do that. Then we're going to navigate to custom token, in which it will ask for the token contract address. We can go to a website called CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use CoinGecko. And then you can click on a token. I've taken Aave in this example, and then copy, paste the token contract. So click copy, and then paste it here, and then the accurately detect how many tokens you have. So you can just click on add custom token, import tokens, and boom, you have Aave added to your tokens list on MetaMask. MetaMask gives us the capability to switch between different blockchains. We can click on this logo symbol right here, and it will allow us to add more networks for us to use. Let's click on Add Network, and then it will navigate us to this page where we can simply click Add and approve to add it to our MetaMask. As we can see here, it's been added, and we can do that many more times. So we can go here, add different blockchains. Let's click on the Avalanche blockchain. Let's approve that. Boom, it added. Each blockchain has its own fee token. A fee token is a token which is needed in order to execute transactions on a blockchain. As we can see here, on the Ethereum blockchain, the fee token is ETH. But let's say I wanted to use another blockchain, such as Avalanche. That would require a different fee token called AVAX. What you would need to do in this case is the same method as depositing Ethereum into your wallet. You would buy AVAX from an exchange, then deposit it into your MetaMask. Other blockchains include Arbitrum, as we added before. So once we add Arbitrum 1, we can see that Arbitrum has the same fee token as the Ethereum mainnet blockchain, as it is ETH as well. That's all for this MetaMask Basics tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I would be happy to answer them. And if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. Thank you and see you soon.